travel to Japan, you probably heard of Ichiran Ramen. It was one of the places we were most excited to try. Our first visit was to Kyoto location, which made the whole process really easy, but later in the trip we visited another Ichiran. I believe it was in Shibuya, and realized not every location works the same. I'll show you both experiences so you'll know what to expect.
Oh, you probably want that big.
I like
It has extra pork.
half boiled. I don't need the extra pork. So we do me. We do beer, yes. We do 2 beers, 2 ramens. And an egg. So we got 2 ramens, 2 beers, a half-boiled egg. We got 2, right? 2 ramens?
Sure.
Yeah. Going to card. Paid, and then we get our ticket. Our tickets. And our receipt. So there's the tickets, I think this is the receipt. If you come to this location, it's a little different than the other one. You do it from the machine. You put in your money first, and then you select and it gives you a ticket, and then you have a seat. You go inside. After paying, we made our way inside and waited to be seated. One of the things Ichiran is known for is its individual dining booths, which are designed so you can focus on the ramen without distraction. Yon? ありがとうございます。I have my ramen ticket, half-boiled egg, and beer ticket. And you have a pen and a piece of paper. Let's see. Here we go. ありがとうございます。元気がですか？元気がですか？How are you? 元気がですか？元気です。ありがとうございます。Circle medium richness over medium. Garlic. I like garlic. So go medium green onion. I like green onion. Sliced pork with sliced pork. Noodle texture medium.
ありがとうございます。お預かりしますね。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
They literally just give it to you.
Arigato gozaimasu.